And we're back. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Today we are going to talk about equivalent fractions. Now the reason we're talking about equivalent fractions is because you're going to have an assignment on equivalent fractions. Let me... Class 2 pulled up here. And we're going to go over 4 of them very quickly. After we go over the 4 very quickly, I give you something to practice on. After you practice on those, your name's on it and you turn it in. Then you'll have time for either the pink cards or your project. Pink cards or your project. Grades are posted. There are many of you that didn't turn in the work from Friday for some unknown, strange, crazy reason. So if it's blank up there on Friday, please make sure you take that. Take care of that. Our first problem, we have blank thirds equals 5/15. Nobody says anything. I call on Ava. Our numerator, our missing numerator, what do you believe it is? 1. And how did you do that?
Because 1 times 5 is 5.
1 times 5 is 5, and 3 times 5 is 15. You need to be able to do the same thing to the numerator as with the denominator. Yes.
I got it because I knew that 5, well, if you added 5 3 times, that would make it 15. And so 5 one time would basically mean 1/3 of 15.
Awesome
so
sauce.
That's how I got it.
Awesome sauce. Our next one. We have 7/12 equals 35 over blank. We need to find our missing denominator in this case. Elijah. I'm calling off Team Shake, so you don't have to.
Sponsors, please.
So Elijah,
Okay, so 5 times 7 equals 35. And then 5 times 12 is 60.
so 35/60ths is equivalent to 7/12. 35/60ths is equivalent to 7/12. Let's take blank thirds is equal to 6/9. And let's call on Megan. My missing numerator. What should go here, Megan?
It's killing me.
Shh. What do I do to get from 3 to 9? Times. What do I multiply? 3 times what equals 9? What's 3 times 1? Times 2. Times 3. 9. So it's 3 times 3.
Yes.
And so now I need what times 3 is going to give me 6. I got my Team Shake app.
Oh, yeah.
You can put your hands down.
Sponsor us, please.
1 times 3 is? 2 times 3 is? 6. So 2/3 is equivalent to 6/9. One more. We have a numerator of 2 with no denominator equals 10/50ths. A numerator of 2 with no denominator. And we have Alec. Alec, what is my missing denominator?
5.
And why?
But if you do 2 times 10, it's times 2 by 5 to get 10. So you times, here you divide 50 by 10 to get 5. That's not right. No.
Okay, let me think about it.
Wait, hold on.
2 times what equals 10?
5.
5. So So if I multiply this by 5,
Oh, never mind. It's 10.
and I multiply by here times 5, my denominator is
10.
10.
Wait, what?
We need to simplify that.
No, we're not. We're finding equivalent fractions. That's all we're doing on this assignment is finding equivalent fractions.
So what
We're
if
not
you
simplifying or
simplify
anything.
it? What if you simplify it?
Then you're not doing the right thing because you're filling in the blank.
So
Is all we're
12?
doing. Well, you can't simplify it because we're not asking you to. We're asking you to find the missing part. Boom! Shakalaka! Peace out! God bless! Love ya! Do something kind! Subscribe to me and subscribe to my friend Robots from Neptune. Love y'all!